Jen.
Yes.
Has a wife?
Yes, and 2 children.
2 children?
Yes. Oh my God.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Calm down. Calm down. You know, you can never know all these guys. It's even better that we are getting to know all these things now. Before tomorrow, he will marry you and everything will expose. Do you understand? Because some of these guys that claim they are abroad, they will come, deceive girls that they want to marry. The girls will put all their heart with them and they will disappoint them. But sis, it's okay. Nothing has spoiled yet. Thank God it happened this early.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.